Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem height checker. We're given a list of heights of students. We would ideally like them to be sorted. However, they're in some other order right now. And thus, on some positions, the height of the student that's standing on that position is different than it would be in the sorted order. So for every position where the height of the student currently standing at that position is different than the height of the student that would be standing on that position if we were to sort the array, we have to add 1 to the result and return the sum of the number of such positions. Now this is a very simple implementation problem. Here is a one-liner solution in Python. So we take the heights of the students currently, the sorted heights of the students, so that would be the order that we want. We use zip to create an iterator over all the pairs of corresponding elements. So those are the two elements that we want to compare here. So we want them to not be equal, so we write not equal. So this will be 1 if they are not equal, 0 if they're equal. So we can just sum it and return it. So this is a simple one-liner solution. In general, we here use a sort, the standard sort that's available. You can also use some other sorting method if you prefer. Maybe you can use some merge sort and maybe then calculate the result along with the sorting. Maybe you can use counting sort or radix sort, so the linear time sorts, because the heights of people are bounded. And if you would like a more difficult problem in similar vein to this one, since this problem essentially asks us to calculate some metric by which the array is not sorted, right? The bigger the answer here, the less sorted the array is, because the answer here is the number of mismatches on positions. And of course, another way, a typical way of measuring how unsorted an array is to count the number of pairs of people such that one is greater than the other, but they are in the wrong order in the sorted array. Right? So essentially, for every possible pair of people, we add 1 to the result if they are in the wrong order in our array. That is called an inversion, and counting the number of inversions is a standard problem, and it's not very trivial. So if you haven't seen it before, then I encourage you to think about it.